Newly sworn-in Oklahoma senator wants to make it harder to get a divorce in Oklahoma through a proposed bill for the 2024 legislative session. News 4's Caitlin Ogle tells us why some hope this won't get very far.
The big part of this bill gets rid of the incompatibility reason for getting a divorce. Those opposed say not only could it put some people at risk, but it could clog up the court system.
Ridiculous, oppressive, terrible.
I thought it was one of the most embarrassing and appalling bits of legislation to trickle through a freshman legislator's pen.
Reaction from those opposed of Senate Bill 1958. Written by freshman Senator Dusty Devers of Elgin, who took office in December. His website shows he's endorsed by conservative organizations and says, quote, "We must protect marriage and parental rights. I will fight to make sure our laws never interfere with the spiritual and economic thriving of families." Louisa McCune is a board member of the Kirkpatrick Policy Group.
I believe in marriage. I believe in religion. These two things should not coincide.
SB 1958 makes several changes to the statute, like removing incompatibility as grounds for divorce, which Edwards says is how most divorces are filed. She says the burden of proof will land on the person filing, while clogging up an already packed court system.
The dockets in the divorce court is going to be mired in hearings that need not occur because many people divorce by an agreed order.
She's also concerned about survivors of abuse, which may fall under extreme cruelty.
But it would be up to each individual judge to weigh by clear and convincing evidence.
Meanwhile, McCune says spouses in troubled marriages should be able to end things without assigning blame.
Divorce doesn't have to be contentious. It doesn't have to be about blame. It can be about the pursuit of one's own happiness.
News 4 wanted to hear from Senator Devers. Over the past 2 days, we've called and emailed. We also stopped by his office, but he wasn't in.
This needs to be defeated.
In Oklahoma City, Caitlin Ogle, Oklahoma's News 4.
And currently, if either spouse has been declared insane for at least 5 years, that would be grounds for divorce. Also grounds is what's called gross neglect of duty. Under this new bill, insanity and gross neglect of duty would be placed under abandonment, which is eligible for divorce. However, other reasons like impotency and imprisonment would no longer be divorce options.